brakes, no resonator. Less raspy for the cold start, which is really good. So I'm gonna do a quick video, the before and after. So this is how they look before. So they kind of go a little wide, but they're not too bright. It's kind of just a spread flood. So the ones that we got from Casey, those should have spot and flood. This is how they look. Thanks to freaking Rig Talk, and we basically look like that. So we'll see how it looks. The finished product for now, really pretty nice. Hey, what's up guys? It's been about 2 weeks since I've been running these KC lights. I never did a before and after back when I was making the video of the installation, but basically it's pretty simple. I just had it drilled down a little bit here to make the KCs fit. Other than that, the wiring was super straightforward from Casey. So these are just my headlights, and then I'll do the KCs right now. So this is how it looks. Truck's pretty dirty, but this is how they light up the garage. I had it at a different angle when I first did it, but they're definitely a lot brighter than those Amazon lights. Using them off-road and on-road when there's no traffic for fog, especially using the orange lenses, definitely comes in clutch. So real quick for you guys, I went ahead and put the amber covers. This is how it looks. Still pretty good visibility. I'll go ahead and turn off my headlight. And this is with headlights off. Another angle with the headlights off. So it's still getting a good amount of light. Yeah, but overall I've been pretty happy with these lights. They're still giving way more light than the Amazon lights, so can't wait to keep on using them. Here at the shop, this is a little before and after. Quick update. Got the second perch. The other side, getting done right now. Damn. Super cleaned up. Hey, what's up guys? We're back. So a little update on the truck. So last they were finishing up the suspension. So this is how it sits now. We did the mid perch. And besides that, just a regular alignment after that. Basically, you can see, as I was showing before, you got on that second perch. Same deal for that other side. Right here. And then this is pretty, almost level. I think the rear is still like maybe half an inch taller. But it's not too bad. I really like how it looks. I went ahead and also installed my KCs. This is the other one for reference. Besides doing the KCs, I went ahead and got the vehicle tinted as well. So I did 50% windshield, I did 15% on the sides, and then I did a limo tint in the rear with the existing factory tint, which I think it's probably like 50 or maybe a little lighter percentage, but it's all limoed out now. So yeah guys, this is how the truck looks now.